Hello everybody, so welcome to my first of hopefully many spring cleaning videos. So the first one, I'm just starting strong and I'm going to show you my weakest point in the house, and it is a mess. So let me show you. So this, I literally can't even believe I'm showing you this. This is our, it was supposed to be our foster room, like our kid room. But then we got a baby, so we needed to put him in the other room. Obviously he didn't need 2 twin beds. So this is our situation that we're working with. It ended up just being like a dumping ground for our house. So a lot of this is needs to be thrown into bags to take to Goodwill. Let's see. And a lot just needs to be thrown away or organized or put away. Yeah, it's just a mess. So we're doing this today. We're doing the kid room and also the pantry. I'm not very sure if this will remain a kid room because we don't really need it for a while. But we'll see what it turns out to be. It might just be a guest room. And then here it also has a walk-in closet that is just, oh, absurd. It's like a mess. So we've got our work. And this is from Valentine's Day, and it is April now, so cool. Yeah, we've got our work cut out for us, so wish us luck. All right, as if we don't have enough work cut out for us, this is our horrible pantry that has stuff all over the ground. You guys, literally, I can't believe I'm gonna be posting this because it looks like we are hoarders or just crazy. And organization is just one of those things that I love and I'm obsessed with. And so you can only imagine this is causing a lot of stress. And I mean, we could blame it on excuses, but honestly, we've just not gotten to it yet. And today is the day. So we're gonna start with the kid guest room and then we'll go from there. All right, we're already making some progress, finally. So I condensed these down. These, if you guys didn't watch this, I'll link a video to me organizing those. Those are our foster clothes, but we don't really need them, so I'm gonna donate them. These are my old clothes that we're getting rid of, foster clothes and miscellaneous stuff in there. And we're looking good. We can at least see the floor. Wow, this looks way better. I am so pleased with this. So my church has an event for a clothing swap coming up, so just gotta keep that there. Gotta redo the filter. And then this needs just kind of some like fine tuning, but we're getting rid of this dining set. So once we get rid of the dining set, we'll be able to kind of set up these, our shelves. We'll set them up and then it'll look really nice in here. But I mean, we're able to see the floor and see the floor.
You okay,
Okay.
Mama? Oh.
But for now, that is looking great for today. Thank you. Are you gonna help? Assembly line, help me with something. All right, it's nice and empty except for those things that will just stay there. But wow, it is feeling really good except for when you look out here. we've got all this organizing to do. Oh. So we brought out even another table. We just threw a bunch of stuff on there because this was not enough space. So now we have to go through and kind of declutter, organize, and as we're putting pieces back into the pantry, we're going to be throwing away a lot of things too. So that's just the system that's working for us right now. Right, while I'm looking at all of this, I am going to take into account how many more big jars from Azure that I need, because these come in really handy, and then I'm able to decant a lot of these big bags. I'm gonna probably need big buckets for the flour. So I'm just gonna start counting and just kind of taking note so that it looks really nice and neat and organized once I'm completely done with it. All right, I got this as good as I could. So I made note of how many jars I need. So I kind of put them on top of or inside what jar I'm gonna have them in. I just don't have the lids. If you guys watched my last Azure video, you'll see that I accidentally forgot lids. And so I'm going to purchase lids and more small jars, more large jars, and then all this will look really beautiful. And maybe in my next Azure haul, I'll be able to kind of show you how I did it and just like what it looks like updated. But for right now, it looks good to go. So now I'm gonna stick this into the pantry. Okay, now we have all of our snacks, just like normal pantry stuff, bread and things like that, and it obviously got really out of hand. So I'm gonna go through, throw away things that are old, reorganize, and just work on this stuff next. Okay, all of these containers are ready. We got snacks, bread, produce, pastas, and chips. All right, so all of these are in. It is definitely looking a lot better already. Okay, I got in my comfy clothes. I'm ready to tackle this. We went to a graduation party earlier, and so I had to take a big break, but now I am back. I am very determined to finish this tonight. It will happen. Since it's just kind of like a lot spread out, I'm gonna condense it all over there to my table and then start sorting through and putting it back in the pantry. It's really, I keep saying this, it's starting to look good. I just put like our our canned things up there because I honestly don't have a ton of stuff like that, so don't really use it too often. And this is the progress. We're looking good, people. Just gotta figure out where to put the buckets in there. Organize the spice rack that is going to be next. Okay, my job here is done. It has been a very successful day. I am very tired, but I feel very accomplished. I'm really glad that we did it. Obviously, it's not completely 100% where I want it to be. There are some other things I want to do to the pantry one day, and that's just like adding more shelves, making sure we have more buckets, more jars, lids, things like that. But this has gone from day to night. Like, this looks day to night, night and day. It's night and day difference either way. And I am finally excited to bake and to cook again. I seriously loathed it. I did not want to do it at all because it looked horrible in there. I didn't even want to open the pantry door because I was afraid I'd be swallowed up. So much better. The guest room is nice and clean too. There's lots of things we need to take to donations, lots of trash, but so glad I did it. And now I get to move on to the next organization project, which I am really excited about. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, please make sure to like and to subscribe, because I am on a mission this spring for some spring cleaning. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure to follow along. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.